Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So I've got another video for you today. This one is going to be an after Christmas sale. This is the first year that we actually went to an after Christmas sale, and we got some pretty good deals on stuff that was already inexpensive to start with. I didn't try to break the bank or anything. I didn't spend a whole lot of money, but I just found some things that will last me throughout the year. And then I picked up a couple of Christmas decorations. I did not include the decorations in this haul because they're already put into totes. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the stuff that I can show you, because I'm sure that's what you're here for. Alright, so to be perfectly honest with you, the things that I bought, I wish I would have waited until a couple of days later, because everything went from 50% off to 75% off. So I actually paid, these were originally $4.88 for these guys right here, and I got them for 50% off. So what is that, like $2.44? But when I went back to Walmart, they still had some, and they were 75% off, like $1.20, $1.30, somewhere in there for these a piece. That's a lot of product for that price. This one says Shine Like Gold hand lotion, and it's berry lavender. And then this one is hand wash. So you get a lotion and a hand wash for $1.20 something if you got the 75% off sale. And if you didn't, if you're like me and you got the 50% off sale, you still got a good deal. And this one is hand lotion and soap that smells like honey and lilac. And I like both of these kind of scents, so I was pretty jazzed to find that. This soap should last a little while. I mean, we wash our hands a lot around here, so we shall see. But I feel like it was a pretty good deal. Then I also found this guy right here. I actually got a little tubey thingy that had some of these in it for $3 before Christmas, which again is not a bad sale. This was originally $1, so I paid 50 cents for this, and it is the cherry blossom scent. The Japanese cherry blossom scent from Bath and Body Works is one of my favorite scents, so I figured why not give it a try, see how it smells. The scratch and sniff thing, I did not know that that was there, and it smells pretty great, so I have high hopes for that, and it's perfectly sized to put in my purse. And then I actually picked up two of these guys as well. This one is the purple one, and I also picked up a pink one. I don't remember what all scents was in each one, but I feel like I remember that they both had at least one that was the same. So this one's got Japanese Cherry Blossom, Sweet Crush, and Pink Sweet Pea Fantasy. I'm not sure which one I'm most excited for. They all sound like they smell fantastic. But again, that price was $4.88, so I got it for $2.44. Still wishing I would have held out for the 75% off sale, but it's whatever. This was all under like 20 bucks. And then this is the Calgon Take Me Away. Again, same price. And this one came with some fuzzy socks, a fragrance mist, and a moisturizing body cream. This is a scent that I've always liked pretty good, so I figured why not go ahead and get it. Like I said, I was trying to stock up on my scents for the year. And then the last scent that I got is Morning Glory. It's from Calgon as well, and it comes with a little loofah, some body wash, moisturizing. Oh, that was funny. Moisturizing bath beads, and then the fragrance mist. And this one again was the $4.88, which, honest to goodness, y'all, for what that is, I think the $4.88 is actually a great price. I don't know how I passed these up during Christmas. I feel like if I would have walked by this and seen it, I would have probably bought it for full price. But I don't usually go down the stocking stuffer aisle, which is where I found these after Christmas, so I guess that's why I didn't see them. But I'll be on the lookout for them next year to see what other scents that they have. I've never smelled this one that I know of, but it has one of them scratch and sniff things too. Okay, so this one's more of a clean scent. I actually would probably take this right here and just keep it in my purse or my car. And then whenever somebody gets in, be like, my car smells good. That would be me. And I think that's actually everything that I picked up from Walmart, or at least everything that I can find as far as the sale went. Like I said, I did get some Christmassy stuff. I may end up uploading that. I'm not sure. I went back for the 50% off sale for that and the 75% off. And both times I think I spent, the second time I think I spent around $20. The first time I spent less than that. No, I probably spent right at $20 because of the skunk guy. So I probably spent right at $40 for everything. And I got everything I needed to trim my tree next year. To wrap presents. I got all my wrapping paper for next year, which is amazing to be able to do all that the year prior. That's just awesome. And then I got some stuff to decorate my house with, which is really all I wanted. I wanted so much to decorate a lot this year, but I don't know, I just didn't do it. I don't know why. My aunt actually came and helped me decorate, which I truly appreciate. My mama helped out too. I'm a big fanatic when it comes to Christmas and Halloween. I have a hard time deciding which one's my favorite. Like, in August, I'm so ready for Halloween. It's not even funny. Like, when August hits in July, I'm just like, can y'all just go away? And my birthday's in August, and I don't even care. I just want it to go away so that October can get here and I can celebrate Halloween. And then once, like, September to October gets here, I'm like, okay, Halloween, go away. It's Christmas time. So I don't know why I'm like that. I think Christmas must be my favorite, or it is getting that way, and I'm just not ready to let go of Halloween yet. But I feel like Halloween will probably always have a special place in my heart. But yeah, I think that's everything that I had to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.